Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe for LinkedIn course payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Stripe website and sign up for an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Developers tab on the left sidebar. Select API keys from the drop-down menu. You will see both publishable key and secret key listed. Copy both keys as you will need them later. Now, open a new browser tab and log into your LinkedIn account. Next, navigate to the LinkedIn Learning section. Click on Create to start a new course or edit an existing one. Within the course settings, locate the Payment Settings section. Look for an option to integrate with payment processors. Select Stripe from the list of available options. You will be prompted to enter your Stripe API keys. Paste the publishable key and secret key into the appropriate fields. After entering your keys, click on the Connect or Save button. LinkedIn will verify the connection with your Stripe account. Once verified, you will have the option to set your course pricing. Enter the desired price for your course. Make sure to review all payment settings before finalizing. To test your payment integration, create a test course or use a test transaction. Check your Stripe dashboard to confirm the transaction is processed successfully. After confirming everything works, your course is ready for payment collection. You are now successfully set up to accept payments via Stripe for your LinkedIn courses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.